Notice anything weird about where I'm standing? That's because I'm standing on ice. I'm really excited because today marks the first day where southeastern Pennsylvania, I live right on the separation between northeast and southeast, but I'm finally safe. It's like 3 inches, not really recommended, but I only weigh 165 pounds, so this 3 inches will hold me just fine. We're gonna do some sight fishing. I can see straight down to the bottom from here. It's about 2.5, 3 feet where I'm fishing. Jig up some bluegills, have some fun. I'm just really excited to be out on the ice for the first time down here. I did get up to the Poconos a few times earlier this season, but the weather down here has been trash compared to there. So, you know, let's have some fun and let's catch some awesome bluegill for first ice down here. I was really determined to go ice fishing today, but the pond had other plans. Uh-oh, guys. Uh-oh. Jesus Christ! Yeah, at least one of these has got to be a fish, honestly. I see so many really big lines on here. Oh, there's another bite. Got him. Oh, that's a nice bluegill. Or not nice bluegill, but it's better than the last one. Getting a little bit bigger. Well, last year I actually caught a bunch of in the 9 to 10 range, 9 to 10 inch range through here. I've never caught them before that big, and I caught them through the ice, so it was really weird. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, dang it, all the... Mom? Mom, my phone just died because of you, Mom. Where's my emergency charger at? Alright, guys, I popped 1, I popped 2, and I popped 3 holes. We just have a tiny little fly, 2-pound test, little light ice fishing rod, and a mealworm on the end, or wax worm on the end, with a little bobber setup. See? Just so I can, you know, let it out a little bit. Last year I tried to jig, but some of these fish were just a little bit too finicky. So let's see what happens. Just gonna drop this down right above the bottom. No need for deeper, it's really shallow here, so maybe I'll put out if I'm not finding anything and just keep popping holes, but should be good. Let's drop down and see what happens. Yeah, we're gonna put on an actual jig. The flying ice thing did not work out the way I wanted it to. But as well as screw around, there's some bites. So let's see what's down here. Looks like it's just some small boys. There's one way to find out though. Oh, he had it. Oh, there he is. What a monster, guys. That's my first fish, ice fish of 2019. Absolute monster bluegill. And these things are always sketchy because they really look like red ear hybrids, but I'm pretty sure they're just regular bluegill. Let's get a little picture of this tiny guy and send him on his way. See you later, little guy. Thank you for biting. There it is again. Oh, I cannot move it, otherwise I won't eat it. These guys are right below the hole too. I can see them biting it. Come on, hey. Look at that. That's hilarious. They will not bite it unless it is sitting completely still. Now look at that tiny little bluegill. That is so stupid. In a bit we're going to have to change holes to look for some bigger fish because that is quite a small bluegill. This reminds me of last year. I have to change up my battery in just a second because it's dying. Hey, what a monster, honestly. Like, just crushing the fish. I'm going to turn this video... excuse me. Sorry, there's just like some animal diving under the ice over there. That was kind of weird. But there's another little purple, beautiful bluegill, which we're going to send on his way. Oh, get back. These would be perfect tip-up bait, but there's probably no giant fish in here. Hey, oh, stop it. He's fighting really hard because he was stuck in the ice and I lost him. No. Ah. I could see him coming from under the ice. Oh, that was painful. Just using like a 1/32 ounce glow in the dark jig head. I need to find some smaller jigs because we're basically microfishing under the ice, which is what I'm going to call this video. Alright, slightly bigger presentation. We'll get them fired up, but will it make them eat? That's the real question. So since this place is safe, the reason I came here was because I didn't know if anything was going to be safe in this place. Is like walkable distance from my house, so I just wanted to make sure it was safe. If this place is safe, then by tomorrow the other place, then the other good ponds around me should be safe. I will be able to catch bass and probably some big bluegill and crappie as well through the ice. Oh my gosh, look how small this bluegill is. Oh my gosh, it's just so small. Well, as you guys saw, I know it's a little bit darker. Not sure if it's blurry or not because my brightness is really down, but as you saw, we had a fun little session there on the ice. Got a bunch of those little tiny bluegill. I'm just really excited for this upcoming ice season because it might last a while. It took a long time to start, but I think we might be able to extend it into late February instead of ice out in mid-February like last year. I just want to catch a muskie through the ice or a lake or a walleye or just some nice fish. Last year I caught the quantity. This year it's for the quality. So let's see what happens. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you'll see some epic videos soon. So stay tuned and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. See you guys later.